Hello everyone, welcome to BackTech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best electric leaf blower. If you're tired of dealing with messy driveways, patios, or sidewalks, this tool will make cleanup a breeze. So stay tuned, let's get started. Product features. Powerful performance. The Greenworks 24012 electric leaf blower delivers an impressive 160 mph airspeed. This ensures effective cleaning of dust, dry leaves, and small debris on hard surfaces like sidewalks, patios, and driveways. Lightweight design. Unlike heavy gas-powered blowers, this electric model is extremely lightweight. It reduces fatigue during long sessions, making it easier to use for homeowners who want comfort and convenience. Low vibration. This leaf blower produces minimal vibration compared to gas models. The reduced vibration improves handling and ensures smooth operation, making it comfortable even for extended use. Cord lock feature. One standout feature is the built-in cord lock. It prevents accidental unplugging while you work, ensuring continuous operation without interruptions, saving you both time and effort. Compact and practical. Its simple design makes it easy to store in tight spaces. Whether you're keeping it in a shed, garage, or utility room, it won't take up much space and remains ready for quick use. Pros. Efficient airspeed blows away dust and debris at 160 mph. Lightweight build, easy to carry and maneuver. Comfortable use, minimal vibration enhances comfort. Affordable option, cost-effective compared to bulky gas models. User-friendly design, compact size with cord lock for convenience. Cons. Extension cord needed, you will need to buy separately. Limited to hard surfaces, less effective on large lawns or wet leaves. Corded operation, not as mobile as cordless models, requiring you to stay near an outlet. Final thoughts. The Greenworks 2401 electric leaf blower strikes the perfect balance between affordability, performance, and comfort. If you're looking for an easy-to-use solution for patios, sidewalks, and driveways, this tool is worth adding to your outdoor arsenal. Keep your outdoor space looking spotless without breaking a sweat. The Greenworks 24012 makes cleanup simple and efficient. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget, subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more useful gadget finds.